In this video, we will be solving your 3 marks or 4 marks questions that may have come here in your examination, that is previous board examination for class 10th, and chapter number 3, that is linear equation in two variables. So let's begin with our first question that come in your CBSE 2010 Delhi. Okay, now what is the question? Question is the sum of the numerator and denominator of a fraction is 3 less than twice the denominator if each of the numerator and the denominator is decreased by 1. The fraction becomes, sorry, just the fraction becomes 1 by 2. Okay, so we have to find the fraction also, right? So let's assume the fraction is x upon y. So what we have to do, we have to find the value of x and y from the given situation, right? So now what is given is said that sum of numerator and denominator, that is sum of numerator and denominator, that is x plus y, is 3 less than twice the denominator. So what we have to do, we have to subtract 3 from 2 times of the denominator. So denominator is y, 2 times y minus 3. So this is our first linear equation. So second, from where we get, that is this part. If the numerator and the denominator is decreased by 1, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. That is, we have to each of the numerator, that is x minus 1 is at each in y minus 1. We have to decrease 1 from each of the numerator and denominator like this. The fraction becomes 1 by 2. So this is your second equation. So we got the equation. So what we have to do, we will solve this equation by any method. Like I will choose the method of elimination by substitution. So now first I will simplify this equation number 1 like this. That is, equation number 1 is x plus y equals to 2y minus 3. Okay, and so now take it on the left hand side like this. X plus y minus 2y plus 3 is equals to 0. X minus y plus 3 is equals to 0. This is your equation number 1. What about question number 2? So just multiply, cross multiplied, and take it on the other side. So 2 multiplied by x minus 1 is equals to 1 multiplied by y minus 1. So 2x minus 2 is equals to y minus 1, or you can say 2x minus y minus 3 is equals to 0. So this is your first equation and second equation, right? So now I will take it on the downside. This is our next question. Okay, now we are having enough space. Okay, now from equation number 1, find the value of y. So I will write the value of y in terms of x, then substitute it in equation number 2. Okay, so what is equation number 1? That is x minus 9 plus 3 is equals to 0. So take y on the other side, it will be y is equals to x plus 3. So put it equation number 2, that is in this equation. So we will get the value of x. So what is equation number 2? This is our equation number 2. So put the value of y in this equation like this. Okay, open up the bracket. Okay, now 2x minus x is x, minus 3 minus 3 is minus 6 is equal to 2. So what is the value of x? We will get x is equal to 6. Now similarly put the value of x in this equation, that is y is x plus 3. So what will be the value of y? 6 plus 3 will be 9. So these are the values of x and y. You can find it like this. Okay, so try to solve it by your own and let's see whether you get it the same result or not. And if there is any confusion, please write in the comment box. I will try to resolve your confusion, right? Okay, now our second question is solve the following pair of linear equation, find the value of x and y. So we are given with two equations, we have to find the value of x and y. See, we have seen that the given equations is in terms of the coefficients in a b. Okay, so result will also be come under a and b. It means the values of x and y will be in terms of a and b. Okay, so write the equation first and open up the bracket, or I can say simplify the expression first. Okay, I am writing the equation number 1, a plus 4b is equals to 0. Now open up the bracket, 2ax minus 2by plus a plus 4b. So this is our equation number 1 is equals to 0. Now this is our equation number 1. So what about equation number 2? So I directly write it by opening up the bracket like this, 2bx plus 2ay plus b minus 4a is equals to 0. This is our second question. So how will you solve this? So I am doing it by cross multiplication method. Okay, so I hope you all know the formula. So I'm writing it here. That is x upon b1 b2 and c1 c2 equals to minus y upon a1 a2 and c1 c2 equals to 1 upon a1 a2 and b1 b2, right? So what we have to do in the next we have to find the coefficients a1 a2 b1 b2 and c1 c2. Okay, so for equation number 1, find the value of the coefficients a1 b1 and c1. Similarly, from the equation number 2, find the value of coefficients a1 b a2 b2 and c2. So I am writing it here directly. If you want to learn this method in detail, I have already make one video on this. You can check it on my YouTube channel, that is @easy learning maths. Okay, so I am writing the coefficients directly. A1 is equals to a and a2 is equals to b. Similarly, b1 is equals to minus b, b2 is equals to, sorry, we are wrong here because 2 is also mentioned. So I'm writing it again. A1 is equals to 2a and a2 is equals to 2b. Similarly, b1 is equals to minus 2b and b2 is equals to 2a and c1 is equals to a plus 4b and c2 is equals to b minus 4a, right? So put the value of a1 a2 b1 b2 and c1 c2 in this formula. Okay, now I'm writing the formula directly by putting the coefficients, value of coefficients. So x upon, what is the value of b1? b1 is minus 2b and b2 is 2a. Now what about c1? c1 is a plus 4b and c2 is b minus 4a. Similarly, minus y upon a1 is 2a and a2 is 2b. What about c1? c1 is a plus 4b and c2 is b minus 4a is equals to 1 upon a1 is 2a and a2 is 2b, b1 is minus 2b and b2 is 2a. So now what is the next step? We will cross multiply the the coefficients we obtained and subtract it from each other, right? So next, just multiplied it, minus 2b multiplied by b minus 4a minus 2a multiplied with a plus 4b. Similarly, minus y upon 2a multiplied with b minus 4a minus 2b multiplied with a plus 4b, and 1 upon what you will get 4 2a multiplied 2b is equals to 4a square minus of minus get plus 4b square. So that is the next step. We take the two elements taken at time, that is I will, if I numbered it, writing it, this is your a, this is your b, this is c. So take the terms two at a time. I'm taking a and c at a time, then you will be able to find the value of x. Okay, so now if you, so what we have to do, we just open up the bracket and multiplied it. We just simplified it first. 2b square plus 8a, that is I opened the bracket and multiplied it with minus 2b minus 2a square minus, sorry, it's a plus 8ab, and here you will get minus of 8ab. So here is, write the c term, that is 4a square plus 4b square. Now since this is plus 8ab and minus 8ab, it will get cancelled. So in the denominator, get the minus common, 2a square plus 2b square. So here it is 4a square plus 4b square. If you see, if you take a square plus b square in the bracket, what will you be having? Take it on this side, and 4a square plus b square. So a square plus b square get cancelled, you will get minus 1 upon 2, right? So this is the value of x you can have, that is x is equals to minus 1 upon 2. So how will you solve the next part? Either you can take b and c and try to find the value of b and c, and the second way to find out the value y is put the value of x, that is x is equals to minus 1 upon 2 in any of the given equation, that is in equation number 1 or equation number 2. So I am adopting this method, that is I am putting the value of x is equal to minus 2, that is minus 1 upon 2 in equation number 1. Okay, so equation number 1 is, okay, I am just removing it because I am not having the enough space here, or you can say I will just moving it on the downside now. So from here, what was the value of x? X is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So write the equation number 1, that is 2ax minus 2by plus a plus 4b equals to 0. Put value of x is equal to minus 1 upon 2 in this. It is minus 1 upon 2 minus 2by plus a plus 4b equals to 0. Okay, it's minus a minus 2by plus a plus 4b is equals to 0. Plus a minus b get cancelled, so take 4b on the other side, it will get minus 4b, minus minus get plus, b also get cancelled, so 2y is equals to 4, y is equals to 2. So this is the value of x and y you obtain by using cross multiplication method. So you can see this is very easy method. If you remember the formula, you can get the value of x and y very easily and in a shorter time duration. So moving to our next question, this is also very important question. What does it say? Saying from a pair of linear equation in two variables using the following information and solve it graphically. Okay, now saying 5 years ago Sagar was twice as old as Tiru. Okay, I am taking it, I am taking this question in our next session. I am just having a one emergency so I have to go. So please do like or subscribe my channel if you like this video, and share it with your friends also. Thank you.